Hello everyone. So I hope all of you are good and fine. So today we are discussing mental drill. So chapter 1 already we have completed numbers. So today we are going to discuss about additions, chapter 2. So see page number 12. The first one is find base of numbers in the order outer circle that add up to make the numbers in the inner circle. So outer circle some numbers are there and inner circle also some numbers. So you have to add up the outer circle and match it with the inner circle. So here some numbers are given 910, 1007, 420, 70, 142, 60, 158, 820, 1003 and 80. So which two numbers you have to add it to get the number. So here 480. Which numbers if you match it, if you will get 480, 420 and 60. So here 402, 420 and 60. It makes 480. And the next one is 500. Which two outer groups makes 500? That is 420 and 80. So here 420 and 80. It makes 500. So same like that, the next one is 300. Which two outer numbers if you add it, you will get the 300. What is the question? 158 and 142. 158 and 142 makes 158 and 142 makes 300. So outer two numbers it makes with the equal to 300. And the next one is 900. So which two numbers makes 900? It's 820 and 80. 820 and 80. So here the first number is 820 and 80. Both numbers if you add you will get 900. And the next one is 910 and 70. 910 and 70. These two numbers makes 980. I hope you all understood this thing. Next one is 2010, 1007 and 1003. If you add these two numbers, you are getting 2010. So like this, outer numbers you have to match it with inner numbers. Clear? Page number 12, I hope you all understood. So same like this, you have to do the A bit of page 12. Next, B bit. So what is the question B bit? Add without calculating. So no need of writing rows and columns, just you have to add mentally and write the answer itself. So here the first one is B bit. Here I will explain only two, remaining you have to do it. So first one 473 plus 27. So here just you have add like this. 7 plus 3 it's 10. 0 here. Once there 7 plus 2 is 8, 9, 10. So 0 here. Once then 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So answer is 500. And the second one is seventh one. Seventh one is 781 plus 719. How to add this? 9 first you have to add ones place. 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 here. Then 8 plus 1 plus 1 that is 10. Once again 0. Then 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So 1500 is our answer. Then next ninth one. Dash plus 6135 is equals to 6135. So if you add which number you have to add to get this 6135? Obviously when you are adding with a 0, if a number added with a 0, then we are getting the number itself. So our answer is 0. And the next one is second one. 500 plus something is equals to 530. So how much you should add to get 530? So obviously 30 we should add to get 530. And the next one 81 dash plus 595 is equals to 600. So how much you have to add to get the answer 600? So here these two numbers are there. These two you have to subtract it. If you subtract these two numbers, you are getting the answer 5. So our answer is 5. 5 plus 595 is equals to 600. So like this only you have to do the remaining one. So I hope you can do this. Next, C bit, just addition. Already you know the additions of 2-digit number, 3-digit number. So here 4-digit number addition. So C bit add. So here first one I will explain. 6342 3142 addition. So it's ones place, tens, 100 and 1000. So here from ones place we have to start. 2 plus 2 it's 4, 4 plus 4 it's 8, 3 plus 1 it's 4, 6 plus 3 is 9. So it's 9484. So this is only 2 rows and 4-digit number. If it's in 3 rows, 3, 1, 2, 3, it's fifth one, number 5, page number 13. 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 4. So it is 3 rows. So here also the same thing. 3 rows or 5 rows, the pattern is the same. From ones we have to start. 3 plus 1 plus 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. And the next one is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 2. Plus 3 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. And the next one is 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Then 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 7. So answer is 7668. And the next one, 8th one, it's a 5-digit number. 96541 plus 32817. So here the 5-digit, but the same process, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Here it comes 10,000. So here 1 plus 7, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 plus 7 is 8. Then 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 8. So 5 plus 8 is how much? It's 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 3, 1 and 1 here. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. The carrying one also we have to count here. Then 9. 9 plus 3 is 10, 11, 12. So it's ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So we are getting here lakh. So 1,29,358 is the answer. Same like next one, 12th one. Here 3 rows are there. 8, 2, 6, 5, 9. 8, 3, 1, 0, 2. 9, 2, 6, 1, 2. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 1, 3 you can't write here. Just we have to write 3 here and 1 carry over. So 5, 1, 6, 7. So here 7. Then 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 6 is 13. 3 here, 1 here. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 here. Here no carrying over. Next 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 9 is how much? 16 plus 9 is 25. So it's 25. Okay. So here 2,58,373 is the answer. So the first one, fifth one, 8th one and 12th one I explained, and remaining things you have to do the homework from page 30. I hope you understood. And the remaining, in the same process you have to do it. Then D bit, fill in the blanks. Page number 14, D bit, see. In this blank, they are used some properties. This you have already learned in the mathematics class, I think. It's related to mathematics. So here, the first one, 52,635 plus 39,868 is equals to dash plus 39,868. So here, see here, 52,635 plus this number is equal to, you have to write 52,635 here because it's a associative property. The next, just see and write. Next one, dash plus 64,312, then 93,165. Here we have to use the commutative property. Commutative property means what? The two numbers added in any order. If you add any order, you are getting the same answer. So here which number you have to write? 93,165 plus something. So this something is equals to 93,165. Both are equal. So this property is called commutative property. If you change the order, the answer will be the same. And the next is 71,814 plus dash, bracket dash. So 38,681 plus something plus 10,681. So here, if you use the brackets, means it is a associative property. So here what is the whole numbers grouped in two ways gives the same result. Here also the same thing. If you interchange the numbers or grouped any other way, the answer will be the same. So here 71,814 plus 38,681 is plus 10,681. And the same in the brackets, interchange the number 71,814. So if you interchange these numbers, the answer will be the same. Okay. This is associative property. By associative property, we can write like this. And the next one, fourth one, dash plus dash 42698 is equals to 32694 plus something plus 24162. Here also the same thing. What will be the number? The brackets first number should be as same as this. Then 24162 and here 42698. So here in bracket, if you interchange the number, for example, A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C or C plus B both are same. Next, fifth one, 79,863 plus 34,819 plus dash 41,414 plus something dash. So here the number is 41,404 because in the other side of equal we are getting the same answer. So in associative property, if you change the group, the number will be the same. So like